Connect your Shopify store. JetPrint personalized tool currently only opens the Shopify channel. Choose a product from the Personalization on Shopify category in Custom Gift. After selecting products, the option Sync to My Shop will appear. First, change the product's main picture, which can be your favorite or the default picture. Then, change the title and description. When we make changes to the price, our profit calculator can provide an intuitive profit, and finally click Publish. DIY products will house all designed and published products. The products will take some time to sync with the Shopify store. A pop-up window will appear once the synchronization is complete. Click the OK button. When the product appears in the published state, it has been successfully published. Enter your Shopify store, click on the product you just uploaded, and you will see that the number of uploaded words for each product will be set by us. Fill in the text you want to customize, and it will appear in the shopping cart. The entire customized product process is thus completed.